Hi, I'm Mark Gaylor. I'm a Sony Imaging Ambassador. I've just been testing Freewell's Quick Swap magnetic filter system. Now, I have been using the Hoya Pro ND filters, but the idea of being able to quickly change out the filters from this 135G master here to my 1635G master certainly was something that I wanted to try. Now, the first thing you just need to do is put one of their magnetic rings onto the front of each lens you want to use this filter system with. Now, this one doesn't have any glass in it, it's just the ring itself, but Freewell do offer you the option of working with one of their UV filters. So you can take off an existing UV filter and use one of their base level magnetic rings instead, and it is exceptionally thin. Now, then it's just a quick task of maybe if I want to calm the smooth waters and put on an ND64, it's that quick. And obviously it's quite a grip there. It's not going to accidentally shake off. You're not going to shake that off whilst walking around. You need to give it quite a firm tug to release that magnetic pressure. And then I could switch over to maybe using a circular polarizer, and that can turn quite freely now. And if I wanted to stack these filters, maybe use an ND64 and a circular polarizer, and then just turn that polarizing to get the polarized effect. I have noticed that there is absolutely no drop in quality from the filters that I have been using, which are the Hoya Pro ND. I also use the Nissi square drop-in filter systems on, say, the 12-24 lens I've been using. So as I said, this is a very easy system to work with. It's very light, portable, probably is even better than me using the Nissi filter cages if I don't want to carry that extra weight. So I'm going to definitely be swapping over to this Freewell magnetic system. Okay, so if you've got any questions, just drop them in the info section below this movie, and I'll catch you online next time.